Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I already dropped off the Coffee Connection mini bouquets and I think they loved them. They were saying how pretty they were. And then today, the sunrise is really pretty, but it doesn't look like it on my phone. I have to go get a florist order together. And since I'm losing sunlight, it makes me later on delivering when I have to cut. So I'm just going to get to it and I'll try to remember to take pictures of my buckets. 120 zinnias. I cut off a lot of ones that have been frosted and dead, but I still got a lot. They're a little smaller, but still beautiful. Yay! So I cut about 80 snapdragons, and it was only about 1/4 of the row. And they were blooming quite a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and give those to my florist today. I think they'll use them. And then I got about 40 stems of different types of celosia as well. Yay! Well, I harvested over 200 snapdragon stems today. Yay! Look at this gorgeous bucket of Lysianthus. So pretty. Check out this beauty. It's pink, and then in the inside, it has like these purple. Oh, it's so pretty.